unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Cooked chicken can stay in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days before it spoils. Store it in an airtight container or wrap it tightly with aluminum foil or plastic wrap to maximize freshness. Always make sure the refrigerator is at or below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius, to keep bacterial growth at bay. If you're unsure whether it's still good, it's best to err on the side of caution and discard it.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.